Hello, friends. Next in the series of hair loss bites, hair growth bites, and hair transplant bites is about your lifestyle and sleep. My dear friends, sleep is a process given by the nature which rejuvenates you, which gets back your energy and gets your physiology in track. If you're not sleeping well, skin is gone, hair is gone. No doctor can do anything. How to handle insomnia? You can talk to our doctors, they will guide you. We don't just treat hair, we treat the whole body. If you're not sleeping, our doctors have developed a unique insomnia management program. How to talk to your doctors? Aap kharrate loge, you want to snore. So we have some special stuff how to help you out to get better sleep and hence a better lifestyle. You have to walk, you have to get up early in the morning, you have to do fitness, great nutrition. So this bite was all about importance of sleep for your great skin and great hair. You will say, Doc, I'm not getting sleep. I'm stressed. What are you going to do about it? You will be surprised. Talk to your doctors, they will give you a perfect insomnia management.